everybody, this is Micah from Food Travelers, and in this mini we're sharing our experience staying at the Aria Resort Hotel in Las Vegas. The room that we got is called the Deluxe Strip View 2 Queen. As you see in the walkthrough here, it's a really long walk just to get to our room. Eventually we did get there, and I must say the room size is pretty big. It's 520 square feet. It's very comfortable. There is a lot of amenities inside, and as you're walking into the room, there's a large foyer area with 2 large closets, and there's a bathroom on the other side. As you're entering the bathroom here, you'll see the vanity area with the 2 sinks. There's a separate area for both the toilet area and for the shower and for the tub. I really like this type style of layout for this bathroom. It's definitely something different from a lot of the other Las Vegas hotels that I've stayed at here. I think this is really unique design, and I think the space works really well. The room of this bathroom is very bright. All the amenities that you need with the toiletries, the hair dryer and everything, the towels is all right there in this bathroom in the vanity area, and there is a lot of counter space. Another thing I really wanted to mention here is the check-in and check-out process is very quick and very convenient. If you download the MGM app on your phone, you can bypass all the lines and go directly into your hotel room with a digital key. Now, if you really don't want a digital key or have all this app set up on your phone, you can stand in line and request for that physical key. So as you're seeing here in this room, one thing I do really like about this view is this window. Kind of gives you this feeling that it's really large and really spacious. It's not just one flat window. It kind of have this corner piece here where you have this other side of the view, so it give you more I guess strip view and city view feeling here. I think it's really great design. And another thing I also want to mention here is the room is very quiet. There are so many rooms on this floor. I don't hear that many people walking around or opening and closing the doors. It's really quiet. That's always a plus. Another thing I also want to mention is there's a 10-inch touchscreen tablet next to the bedside, and there's a lot of plugs and outlets here on this desk area for all the electric gadgets that you have to charge with. That 10-inch touchscreen by the bedside is pretty much the most important controller for the entire room. So anything from the curtains, the lights, the TV remote is all built into that touchscreen tablet. And that touchscreen tablet, it does open and close the curtains as I mentioned earlier, and that's pretty much something that you want to get yourself familiar with. There's these 2 buttons on the bedside where you can turn on and off the lights, and you can also close the curtains. But in order to open the curtains, you can only do that by the tablet or getting out of the bed and walking to the foyer area and pressing the physical buttons for the curtains and the shears. I'll definitely stay here again. It's very convenient location and it's very quiet. My only complaint would be the bedside lamp. I think they should have fixed that while they were getting the room ready. Overall, I really did enjoy this stay here. I'll definitely come back.
If you've enjoyed the content you've seen, don't forget to support the channel and hit like and subscribe. And if you want to see additional pictures of food and our travels, go over to our Instagram page and follow us there. And thanks for watching.